Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Now we will enjoy another interesting performance about the family of our very dear student Mehdi Bhai. So Mehdi Bhai will describe about his family. So let's enjoy.
Hello audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I hope you are doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm also fine by His mercy. It is true that I'm not a good speaker and I'm not in the habit of speaking in public place. Yet I will try my best to deliver my speech perfectly. At the beginning of my speech, I would like to thanks to my teacher Sabir sir for giving me a chance to deliver a speech. Today my topic is my family. I have a wonderful family. There are 6 members in my family. My father, my mother, my older sister, my younger sister, my younger brothers, and me. My father is a farmer. He works in a field. He grows paddy, vegetable, fruits, and many kinds of crops. My mother is an ideal fashion designer and homemaker also. She makes any kind of dresses. My older and younger sisters are married. They are housewife. My younger brother is a student of madrasa. He have heard from Holy Quran. That's all about my today's presentation. Next, I will come up with another interesting presentation. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.